Do you provide marketing automation software for retailers? Need to send emails to online stores customers featuring new products and special offers? Try API2Cart, shopping platform data integration interface. With API2Cart, you can connect your solution with 40+ shopping platforms at once and provide e-store owners with the possibility to send emails automatically to their customers and subscribers. Just execute all the needed API2Cart API methods. Step 1. Register your account. Step 2. Add your client stores. Step 3. Execute product list, customer list, and subscriber list methods. Step 4. Use the received info for providing your clients with the ability to send emails featuring new items and special offers, notify customers on order statuses, send automatic emails to recover lost e-commerce sale, work with data from the stores based on Magento, Shopify, PrestaShop, and 40 other supported platforms effectively. Try API2Cart for 30 days for free now.